Good morning, my dear children. Myself Kalyani Jadhav from Samarpan Gyan School and I am teaching in class of junior KG. Children, today we are going to learn about capital R and small r. So, what is the sound of letter R, dear children? R, rocket. R, rocket. So, children, do you seen the rainbow in the sky in rainy season? So are rainbow also. So let's see, children, which picture are here given for related to letter R. So first is a R ram. R ram. R rabbit. R rabbit. And rabbit hole. R radish. R radish. And this is the rooster. R rooster. R rooster. This is a 7 color of rainbow. Have you seen the rainbow in the sky? R rainbow. R rainbow. And what is this, dear children? This is the R river. R river. R robin. This is the bird. Robin is a bird. R rhino. R rhino. Here one rhyme is given related to letter R. So let's see which rhyme is given here. Ricky the red-eyed rabbit. Ricky the red-eyed rabbit was singing on a rhyme, racing by the river all the time. To find a red carrot was his wish, but he found was the white radish. This is also object related to R letter, but this is a small r. R row. R row. R raindrop. R raindrop. R ring. R ring. R rose. R rose. Trace the letter and color the picture. This is the capital R is given and the 4 line is given. So how to write capital R, dear children? So here red line and red line is given. So start the standing line from the red line to blue line. Then red line to blue line make a curve. Then blue line to blue line slanting line. First standing line, red line to blue line. Then red line to blue line make a curve and blue line to blue line slanting line. And here which picture is given related to letter R? R rose. So you have to nicely color in rows. Trace and write. So first line you have to trace nicely. How to trace? So red line, blue line, you have to make standing line. Then red line to blue line make a curve and blue line to blue line slanting line. Red line, blue line standing line. Red line to blue line make a curve and blue line to blue line slanting line. Red line, blue line standing line. Then red line to blue line make a curve and make a blue line to blue line slanting line. Like this you have to trace first. After that you will write in this 2 line. Now your small r is given. Trace the letter. Tick the picture whose name start with R. So your small r is given. Red line and red line is given. So what we have to do? We have to trace the letter blue line to blue line. So first standing line, blue line to blue line, then make a curve like this. Standing line first and then go up and make a small curve Tick the picture whose name start with small r. So your first picture is rabbit. So rabbit first letter R. So we have to tick this. Here which picture is this? Deer. So first letter is D. So we have to tick this. No. Trace and write. First line you have to trace. Standing line, blue line to blue line. Go up and make a curve. Standing line, blue line to blue line. Then go up and make small curve. Standing line, blue line to blue line, go up and make small curve. Like this you will first trace. After that you will write small r. Look at the picture. Write capital R below red rose and small r below pink rose. So what we have to do? Write capital R below red rose. So here which rose is given? Pink rose. So we have to write small r. And this is the red rose. So below the red rose we have to write capital R. So here small r we have to write, here capital R. Again pink rose, so we have to write small r. Again red rose, so we have to, below the red rose we have to write the capital R. Then pink rose, small r, red rose, capital R, pink rose, small r, and red rose, capital R we have to write. Draw line to move the reds with the capital R to the big hole and the ones with the small r to the small hole. Okay, now in this activity what we have to do? We have to draw the line capital R to big hole and small r to small hole. Capital R to big hole, okay, and small r to small hole. Like this you will move and do the practice.